Today, we're going to be talking about medical payments coverage on homeowners policies. I hope you enjoy. When you look at your homeowner's insurance, it's made up of several parts. One of the parts that frequently gets overlooked is the medical payments section. This is part of the liability coverage. And for some reason, it just kind of gets glossed over typically when you're talking to an insurance agent. The way this medical payments coverage works is it's part of the liability coverage, but it's designed for things that may occur that are medical payment related, and it's what's called a no-fault coverage. So the easiest way to explain it would be to give an example. So if you had somebody on your property, maybe they're going, it could be something as simple as they're going up your steps, coming into your house, and they slip down and they injure themselves. Well, there's a pretty good chance a claim is going to arise out of that situation. And whatever your medical payment limit is, typically with a homeowner's, it'll range between $1,000 and $25,000, depending on what you elected. That medical payment coverage will come into play as what we call a no-fault coverage, meaning nobody has to prove that you were legally liable or that you did something negligent. So if the injuries that occur from that slip or whatever the scenario may be, if they're less than the medical payments limit you have on your homeowner's policy, the policy will just pay the claim just to settle it up, basically, and to get the individual, the third party, to go away and not pursue anything more. Your liability coverage, on the other hand, that larger number, in order to activate that coverage, you've got to be shown that somehow either you were negligent, you were legally liable. That's why it's called liability insurance, which means probably either going to court or something like that. So for me, it's important to have a reasonable amount of medical pay, because if I did have something like that occur on my property, I would much rather be able to get it settled up without there having to be any kind of going to court or getting attorneys involved or anything like that. And if I've got a reasonable amount of medical pay coverage on my homeowner's policy, because it's no fault again, if the claim is less than that amount, they'll pay it. The insurance company will pay it, settle it up, just to get everything taken care of. Nice, clean, easy to handle. If you got questions about this or any other aspect of homeowners insurance, auto, commercial, or anything related to risk management and insurance, don't hesitate to give Terry or myself a call here at Westside Advisors and Insurance Services. I hope you have a great week.